guys, today I have got this ridiculous, I think that's how you say it, text sticker collection. So we're gonna open it and see if we can get, you know what, like the Zekrom or the Victini red and black. So it's Black Bolt, so I'm just gonna open it. So here is the ridiculous promo, if you can see, it's a bit blurry there, and then the code card on the back. So we'll put this to one side over here. Then we've got the sticker sheet and put over there, and then we have got the 3 packs of Black Bolt. So if we don't get any good cards, then that's going to be a bit of a bummer. Petlil, Timber, Crocock, whatever it's called, Ponyward, Bisharp, Prism Energy, Electric, Tranquil, Emolga, Landorus, and no Holo Energy. Right. Why can't I pick up all the cards? Right, I'll just put the bulk over here, and then I'll put the code card in the bulk. Second pack. If you don't get a hidden here, then hopefully last pack's magic, because I really need luck with this. Harvester. Sandile, Elgue, Muncino, Pokegear 3.0, Muncino. Wait, is that the second? Oh, that's Chinchino, and that's Muncino. Sorry, I thought those were a bit too close. Ooh, Darmuka Pokeball. So we just put that there. Venipede and Haxorus. Right. This is the part that takes a while. Alright, so I'll put this over here. Actually, I'll just put it there, just because, why not? Last pack magic, please. I really want like a Master Ball at least. That's the least I want from this pack. And if not, then I don't do too well. Right, Darmuka. Wait, that's what we've just gotten in Pokeball form. Look. But except it's a normal version. Petlil, Rufflet, Solstice, Air Balloon, Bisharp, Crystal, Thunderous, Palpitoad. Ooh, Ends Plan Full Art. That's cool. Sorry, I went a bit off camera. So we got the Darmuka and the Ends Plan. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.